Good morning class, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So kids, today is Monday and on Monday we do the English work. And we are doing cursive and small letters of English alphabet. So previous we have done letter A, small letter A and cursive small a and letter B. Now it's a turn for letter C. What comes next after B? It's a C. So today we are going to learn how to make small cursive C and small c. Okay kids? So all of you look here. Look at the board. So today we are going to learn how to make small c first. Okay, small c is very easy. Like we make big C means capital C. Same as alike we make small c also. But we make capital C in these three lines. Okay, from pink to second blue line. But small c we will make in two blue lines only. Okay. So from here we start making C and we make a half curve like we make in a capital C. We make half curve. This is a small c. And for cursive C again we start from here. Go up, bend a little, come back without moving your pencil, go down, make a half C and a tail. Okay, so this is a cursive C. Again see how to make small c first. Small c is very easy, like we make capital C. You have to make a half curve. Okay, this is small c. And for cursive C, we start from here, second blue line, without moving your pencil. आपको cursive writing में अपनी pencil इधर से उधर हिलानी नहीं होती. Once you start, complete it. So from here we start making a line like we make a wave. Go up, tilt a little, bend over, come back, make a half C, half curve and a small tail. This is a cursive C. Once again, for small c, from here start from the blue line, first blue line till second blue line we make a small curve. And for cursive C, start making a wave from here, go up, bend a little, come back, make a C, make a curve and a little tail. So this is a cursive C. Small c, cursive C. Small c, cursive C. Small cursive C. ओके के सो आई होप आपको पता चल गया है कि हम सी कैसे बनाते हैं. नाउ यू हैव टू ओपन योर इंग्लिश वर्कबुक, पेज नंबर 8. So first of all you have to trace and write capital C here. You have to trace the capital C and from here you have to make a small c. You have to trace small c like this. Complete this. Second is circle the pictures that begins with C. Now you have to identify the picture. You have to recognize the picture by its sound. What is the sound of C? Cat. Cat. So you have to circle the cat because cat start from C. Next is watch. And while we say watch, can it watch start from C? No, it start from W. Okay, so इसे हम छोड़ देंगे. We have to leave this. Like this, you have to circle only that pictures that begins with the sound C, letter C. Okay, turn the page. This is page number 9. You have to color the boxes with capital C or small c. So now here are some letters given. You have to color the boxes that contain capital C or small c. Okay, so you have to identify the letter and you have to color it. Rest you have to leave. Next is say the names of the pictures and write capital C, small c below them. Now again you have to identify the picture and after identifying you have to write capital C and small c all together. Okay, both आपको लिखने हैं. मैम ने आपको बता दिया हम कैसे बनाते हैं. कैपिटल सी आप पहले ही सीख चुके हैं, स्मॉल सी आपने आज सीखा है, तो उस हिसाब से आप ये एक्सरसाइज करेंगे. ओके. So this is your homework. Then this is for revision. Look the letter and color the correct picture in each row. So till now we have done letter A, B and C. So now according to this you have to identify the picture this is, and you have to identify the letter also. So this is letter A, small a. So which picture start from A? Duck? No. Start from the letter D. D. This is ant, and ant start from ant. So we have to circle the ant. Okay. Like this you have to identify the picture and then you have to color the correct picture. Next is match the capital letter to small letter. Now you can recognize, you can identify the small and capital letter better because you have done the practice. So you have to match the capital letter with small letter. Okay. Next is say the name of picture and write A, B and C. Again you have to identify the picture. Like this is a arrow. This is arrow. Arrow start from the letter arrow. So you have to write capital A, small a. Next is balloon. Balloon. So you have to write capital B, small b. Like this you have to complete this exercise. Next is take the small letter to capital letter. Now here is some puzzle given. So you have to take a one letter like this is small a. अब आपको पता है कि capital A कैसा लगता है, कैसा दिखता है. So you have to take this A and reach till capital A. इस तरह से आपको capital को small से match करना है. Okay. So this is your homework. You have to do page number 9, 10, 11. After completing your work in your English workbook, you have to open your pink notebook, English notebook, write the date first, then write the heading, letter, small c, small cursive c. Then in full page you have to write small c, capital cursive c, small c, cursive c, and complete the page. And you have to do the practice in your rough notebook. Okay kids, till then, bye bye.